Learn how to configure your Ubuntu Azure VM for Grub and use Grub to drop into single user mode in this episode of Azure Tips and Tricks. Grub is the Grand Unified Bootloader. It's available during boot up and allows you to select what operating system to run or even select a specific kernel configuration that's available. Being able to modify your Grub config to change your run level at boot time is crucial to being able to debug your VM in situations where you may be unable to boot into your regular operating system. In some situations, Grub might be misconfigured to not show up at all during boot, or to show up on the wrong output port. Let's see if this VM has Grub configured properly. Notice that after we reboot the VM from the Serial Console blade, we don't see Grub show up. Thankfully, Grub in Ubuntu is actually really easy to modify. There's just one file you need to change on your Ubuntu VM running in Azure. This file is etc default grub.d 50 cloud image settings.config. Note that grub timeout has a value of 0 here. Let's change that to a value of 15. Note that the higher the number, the longer grub will display on screen, which gives you more time to act on it, but increasing this grub timeout will also increase the perceived boot time of your VM. This is a trade-off to be aware of. We need to add one more line in here to make sure that the grub menu is actually visible. And now with that, let's exit. Let's run update grub. And let's reboot the VM again. And now we see that grub is automatically showing up upon boot, and it's counting down from 15 seconds. I can press any key to interrupt the countdown, and I can press E to edit my grub. So now I'm going to drop into single user mode. To do this, I find the line that starts with Linux, and then I append the word single to the end of it. I press Ctrl X to boot. Now we wait. As you can see, we're now in single user mode, and we can log in and get ourselves a shell. In this video, you learned how to configure Grub on your Ubuntu VM, and then how to drop into single user mode using Grub on the same VM.